Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to do a challenge exercise in Canva where we will do different tasks according to what is displayed on the screen. We will perform that task and I'll attach the practice file with the description of this video. So if you are joining in this channel for the first time and this is the first video you are watching on our channel, then we have a complete playlist of the Canva series that you can check out from the description. And you can learn pretty much everything about Canva from the scratch. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the challenge exercise. Welcome to another challenge exercise that you need to complete. There are some simple tasks mentioned here. So just read out through them and try it by yourself. Don't think of it like a homework. It is really just to lock in your skills that you have just learned. These are very simple requirements that you can easily deal with. And once you are able to deal with, then move to the next section to see all the answers to that challenge exercises. So with this video, in the resources section, I've attached this Word file. Just copy and paste the link in the browser like this, and then click on use template, and you will be able to use this template like this. So just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.